Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. A real quick one. I was thinking about this when I was showing you about planing with the block plane set really tight. So I have the piece of cherry here for the shootout. What if you wanted to take the sharp corner off? It's called an aris, A-R-I-S, aris. You want to put just a slight chamfer on that. Well, if you have your block plane set with a really tight mouth, you can plane in either direction and get the same smooth cut. So try this with your block plane. Set it for a really tight cut. See, we're getting just wispy shavings. And you can run your finger across that lightly. Don't cut yourself. And it's smooth, tear out free in that direction. Smooth, tear out free in that direction. Now, open the mouth. Okay? So now I've got a mouth opening that's wider. You can test it on the same side, or you can go to the other side and try it. You get the same result. Now, that's with the same setting. Now advance the blade a little bit and try it. There's the tear out. Okay? So now you've got an open mouth and a heavier cut. Back up the cut until you're just barely protruding. Okay? And close the mouth down really tight. Almost to the point where you don't think a shaving can come through. And now, tear out's gone. So your homework is to try this. Sharpen your blade, very sharp. Set the mouth opening as tight as you can. Take some shavings. And feel for the tear out. If there is no tear out, in either direction, that's why. Hope this helps somebody. Just a real quickie. Wispy shavings. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop. Now on to the big show.